Hi, my name is Alicia Salas, and today I am going to talk about a reading intervention lesson for first grade. I am currently at work where I do reading interventions, so I can show you the supplies that I use on a daily basis. Our objectives today is comprehension, strategies and skills. So for our strategy today is ask and answer questions, and our skill is key details. So working on our understanding of our key details as we read, and a little bit of phonics. Our goal is to help understand what we're reading and gain some information and maybe some new vocabulary. So the first thing that I do when I get a group of kids from class is I will have them sit down. Sometimes I have a group of 3, sometimes I have a group of 6. It depends on their level. So as a little 5-minute warm-up, I will have them do their ABCs. I have them mix it up. This is a letter tray, and we do our alphabet. The letters are backwards because of the camera, but I just have them go all the way through the ABCs just as a quick warm-up to get their brains going. And then today is a book day, so the book that I chose for this group is We Can Move. We will talk about who it is by, the picture, and maybe use some predicting skills on what we might think this book is about. I wrote our high frequency words on the board: jump, move, run, and to. So we will talk about those before we get into the book. And so I will ask them the essential question, which is, how does your body move? And we will have a little group discussion on that question. And after we did those things, we will then get into the book. And what I have my group of students do, depending on the level, is I will read the page first, and then I will have them read, and keep going. I'll read first, and then I'll have them read after me. So once we get through the book, I will do the little page in the back of the book and have a little group discussion and just recap about what we read. So one of the questions is, what is We Can Move about? So redirecting my group of students into thinking about what we just read. What new words did we learn? And we will go over the 4 that we went over before we started reading. And after we do a little group discussion, then I will have them do an activity. And I will have them think of a sport that they like to play and draw a picture of yourself playing that sport. And if there was any accommodations for any students, I will probably have them, this is my table that I work at, and I will probably have them sit right here next to me, or we'll just have them sit close by. And if they need a little bit of extra help, make sure that I am going over key details that if I see that they're struggling with a little bit, and just make sure they're getting that one-on-one support help if they do have any accommodations. But that is my first grade reading intervention. That's one of them. If we did a book today, we will probably do some sort of a phonics worksheet. So when I do worksheets, we'll do a warm-up like we always do and do a worksheet. But today is a book day, so this was our book today. And yeah, thank you for listening to my first grade reading intervention lesson.